Hello everyone, Pamela again here. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an interesting topic. Got this request from Jordan. He was actually asking for us to cover how to locate who owns a certain phone number. Worry no more because Searchbug has your back. In today's video, we're going to show you how we can locate the owner of a certain phone number. So without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, I need you to head over to searchbug.com. If you don't have an account yet, that's not a problem. It's free and it always will be by just clicking the sign up button on the upper right hand corner. Sign up for a free account. You can link your Google, your Facebook, or your LinkedIn account. And if you're like me and you already have an account, just enter your email and a password and then click log in. Once you're already on the home page, click lookups and then select reverse phone lookup. And then enter the phone number that you're trying to look up. This is just a sample phone number. Click search and then confirm the order by clicking I approve. There you have it. So now we have a complete report of the owner of that phone number, the relatives, the addresses associated, and the phone numbers of the owner of that phone number. There you have it, everyone. A quick and easy way to perform reverse phone lookup using searchbug.com. Whether you're just curious about a missed call or you wanted to verify a contact, this tool can be a valuable resource. So thank you again guys for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Until next time again everyone, goodbye!